Hi, today I'm here with me Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. After that, tap here to open the app, tap to allow, yes I agree, click close, on the left down corner click to OK, and here we can see information about our device battery temperature, and in my case is 33.1 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model of our device and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.